Hello students, welcome back to English grammar class. In the last video, we started chapter number 6 degrees of comparison. So let us continue with that chapter. So let us revise what we learned. Comparative degree when we compare two persons or things with the adjective changing its form, it is called comparative degree. Example taller, bigger, fatter, thinner, etc. Superlative degree when we compare three or more things and the adjective is in its superlative form, it is called superlative degree. Example tallest, biggest, fattest, thinnest, etc. So now on page number 37, you are given this table and you have to complete the table. See, as I explained you, if there are more syllables, then you will be using more and most to change its degree. Now, first one is given more polite, most polite. So, the main adjective here is polite. Yes. Second one, comparative, you are given more unforgettable. So, which is your adjective here? Your adjective is unforgettable. And what will be the superlative? More. Then what you will use for superlative? Most. So, most unforgettable. Delicious. So, here you cannot say delicious or right? Like that you cannot add er. So, what you will add? You will add more delicious and superlative will be most delicious. Hot. Here, hot, hotter, hottest. Then you are given the superlative degree funniest. So what you will do here, your adjective will be funny. And what will be the comparative degree? You will remove y and instead of y, what you are going to keep? You are going to keep I. So your comparative degree will be funnier. Next one, comparative degree is given greater. So your adjective will be great and superlative degree will be greatest. Seventh one, more colorful. So colorful and most colorful. Last one, talented. So the comparative will be more talented. Okay, clear? So come on, write it down in your textbook with pencil. Sometimes we notice that the two persons, objects, place we are comparing are almost equal. So suppose if the two things which you are comparing are equal, then what you will do? Then we will use s plus adjectives plus s to show that they are similar. See, example is given. The pyramid of Giza is as old as the other pyramids in Egypt. The Egyptian civilization is as rich as the Indus Valley civilization. And if there is a difference, what we will say? We will use not as plus adjective plus as to say that there is a difference. Clear? Now, rewrite the sentences. You have to use here as adjective as or not as adjective as. First sentence is given, my friend and I are 10 years. So here both of you are of 10 years. So what will be your sentence? I am as old as my friend. Both are same. So as old as my friend. Second one, my brother is taller than me. Here your brother is taller than you. So what you will use? I am not as tall as my brother. My grandpa's cakes are tastier than the baker's. So here your grandpa's cakes are good one than the baker's cake. So what you will say? The baker cakes are not as tasty as my grandpa's cake. See here, always adjective will be converted to the positive form. Older will not, you will not write older, you will not write taller, you will write tall. Tastier you will not write, you will write tasty. Okay, so it will be always in a positive form. Last one, Akriti's room is cleaner than Simi's. So Simi's room is not as clean as Akriti's room. Understood? So if it is same, then you will use as plus adjective plus as. But if it is different, you will use not as adjective as. Okay. Now the last exercise is given on your book is this. Look at the diagram carefully, students. Here you have to make sentences and you have to use er, est, as, not as, like that. Okay, you have to make the sentences. 10 sentences you have to make and 2 sentences are already given in your book. So first let us understand this example. Here you can see that the Burj Khalifa is having 800-meter height. So it is the tallest one. That all others are going in a decreasing manner. So the tallest one is Burj Khalifa while the shortest is the Great Pyramid of Giza. In between there is a minor difference in all the structures. So how you are going to write? The Eiffel Tower is taller than the Great Pyramids. See students, keep that diagram in your mind, in your book open so that you can compare and you can understand. Then the second sentence, the Petronas Tower is. So you can write that it is not as tall as Willis Tower. Willis Tower is more taller. So you will write the Petronas Tower is not as tall as the Willis Tower. Burj Khalifa. Now you know that the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Next sentence. The Great Pyramids are the shortest in the world. So if you are showing the superlative degree, you will use es, t and the. Next one. The World Trade Center is taller than the Petronas Tower. So the World Trade Center is taller. Next one. The Empire State Building is taller than the Eiffel Tower. The CN Tower is not as tall as the Warsaw Radio Mast. The Taipei 101 building is taller than the Eiffel Tower. The Great Pyramids are not as tall as Eiffel Tower. And the last one is the World Trade Center is not as tall as the Burj Khalifa. So here students, you can practice more sentences from the same diagram. You can make many sentences out of it. So you practice it. And now I am ending up with this chapter. I hope it is clear. It is very easy chapter. And I will be sending you one practice worksheet as well in Google Classroom. Bye bye students. Have a good day.